Opo, yung tungkol po kasi sa Tugigaraw, there's really a lot of issues that we have to resolve. First, yung officially, based on the records of the Bureau of Immigration, di ba? Hindi naman ganun kadami supposedly, no? Daan lang yung supposedly mga kabataan na mainland Chinese students na nandun. Ngunit according to intelligence reports also that we have seen and others who have investigated this, libo-libo nga daw. No? So this is something that is currently being investigated now. Even Congress will also do their investigation, but we have already taken a look at it. No? Our intelligence units have been assigned to take a look at the situation there para alamin kung is this actually a national security threat or is it just a case of students who want to go to the Philippines to study.